Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve exercise 1.3 question number 2. Question is, you know that 1 upon 7 equal to 0.142857 bar. Can you predict what the decimal expansion of 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 6 upon 7 are without actually long division? If so, how? As we know that the value of 1 upon 7 is equal to 0.142857 bar. Therefore, we have to write 2 upon 7 equal to 2 into 1 upon 7 and substitute the value of 1 upon 7 multiply by 2, we get the value of 2 upon 7. Let's see the answer. Since 1 upon 7 equal to 0.142857 bar. Now 2 upon 7 equal to 2 into 1 upon 7. We can write 2 upon 7, 2 into 1 upon 7. This will be equal to 2 into 1 upon 7, 0.142857 bar. Now we have to multiply. Then 2 upon 7 equal to multiply from right side. 2 7 are 14, 4 carry 1, 2 5 are 10, 11, 2 8 are 16, 1 17, 2 2 are 4, 1 5, 2 4 are 8, 2 0 2 1 are 2, 2 0 are 0, 0.285714. This is the value of 2 upon 7. Similarly, we can find 3 upon 7. 3 upon 7 equal to 3 multiplied by 1 upon 7. This will be equal to 3 multiplied by value of 1 upon 7, 0.142857 bar. Now multiply by 3, then this will be equal to 3 upon 7 equal to 3 7 are 21, 1 carry 1 carry 2, 3 5 are 15 plus 2 17, 3 8 are 24, 24 plus 1 25, 3 2 are 6, 6 plus 2 8, 3 4 are 12, 2 carry 1, 3 1 are 3, 3 1 4, 0.428571 bar. This is the value of 3 upon 7. 4 upon 7 equal to, you can write 4 into 1 upon 7. This will be equal to 4 multiplied by 1 upon 7, 0.142857 bar. Now multiply, then you get 4 upon 7 equal to 4 7 are 28, 4 5 are 20, 20 plus 2 22, 4 8 are 32, 32 plus 2 34, 4 carry 3, 4 2 are 8 plus 3 11, 4 4 are 16 plus 1 17, 4 1 are 4 plus 1 5, 0.571428 bar. This is 4 upon 7. 5 upon 7. 5 upon 7 equal to 5 multiplied by 1 upon 7. This will be equal to 5 into 0.142857 bar. After multiplying, 5 upon 7 will be equal to 5 7 are 35, 5 carry 3, 5 5 are 25 plus 3 28, 5 8 are 40, 40 plus 2 42, 5 2 are 10 plus 4 14, 1 5 4 जा 20, 21, 5 1 जा 5 plus 2, 7, 0.714285 bar. This is the value of 5 upon 7. Now last 6 upon 7. 6 upon 7 equal to 6 multiplied by 1 upon 7 equal to 6 multiplied by 1 upon 7, 0.142857 bar. Now multiply, then it will be 6 upon 7 equal to 6 7 ja 42, 2 carry 4, 6 5 ja 30, 34, 4 carry 3, 6 8 ja 48, 48 plus 3, 51 carry 5, 6 2 ja 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 6 4 ja 24, 24 plus 1, 25 carry 2, 6 1 ja 6 plus 2, 8. It will be 0.857142 bar. This is the value of 6 upon 7. Let's move to the next question. Question number 3. Express the following in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. First part is 0.6 bar, second 0.47 bar, and third is 0.001 bar. Friends, we have to solve question number 3 with two methods. One is traditional method and another is shortcut trick. First of all, we have to solve question number 3 first part with traditional method. Let's see the answer. Traditional method. In this method, first of all, we have to assume this number is equal to x. Let x is equal to 0.6 bar. 0.6 bar only one digit is recurring because the bar is on only one digit. So 6 is recurring. So we can write this will be equal to x equal to 0.6666 dot dot dot. This is equation number 1. Now pay attention here. 0.6 bar only one digit is recurring. If only one digit is recurring, then you multiply by 10. If two digits is recurring, means the bar is on two digit, then multiply by 100. If three digits are recurring, means repeating, then you multiply by 1000. So let's see here, only one digit is recurring, then we have to multiply first by 100. Multiply by 10. We get multiplying both side, left hand side as well as right hand side. Left hand side 10x is equal to, when you multiply in right hand side, then if you multiply, as we know that if you multiply in any number by 10, then decimal one digit is comes right side, means it will be 0.666. Then if you multiply by 10, it becomes 6.6666 dot dot dot. Question number 2. Now on subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we get left hand side you have to subtract left hand side, and from right hand side you have to subtract right hand side. Equation 2, 10x minus x, 10x minus x. This will be equal to 6 point. After the decimal, the digits are same, 0.666, 6.666 dot dot dot. Then if you subtract from equation 2 to equation 1, then we will get 6 minus 0, 6, because after decimal all the numbers are same, then it will be 0. Only we need to subtract 6 minus 0 equal to 6. It will be equal to 6. 10x minus x is 9x. This will be equal to 6. Now x equal to 6 upon 9. If it will be reducible, then you have to reduce it. It is reduced by 3. 3 2 ja 6. 3 3 ja 9. Therefore x is equal to 2 upon 3. This is the fraction form of 0.6 bar. Now we have to solve this question by shortcut trick. So first of all, you write number is 0.6 bar. 0.6 bar equal to, here only one digit is recurring, then in denominator how many digits are recurring? In denominator you write, if one number is recurring, then in denominator you write 9. So you write here 9, and then after in numerator what digit, what is the question you write, what is the digits after the decimal you write in numerator, then it will be after decimal what is the number 6, you write 6. This is the shortcut trick. I repeat once again, the shortcut trick is 0.6 bar, only one digit is recurring. If one digit is recurring, then in denominator you write 9, and in numerator after decimal number only 6 one number, then you write that number. So it will be 0.6 bar equal to 6 upon 9. If it is reducible, then you reduce it. 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. This will be equal to 2 upon 3. This is answer. Second part, 0.47 bar. First of all, you have to solve by traditional method. Let x equal to 0.47 bar. Here only one digit is recurring, repeating 7. So before 7, after decimal there is 4 7, but one digit only 7. The bar is only 7, then only 7 is recurring. Then first of all we take this number, what is which are no bar, that number we take before the decimal. So when you take 4 before the decimal, then we multiply by 10. If you multiply by 10, then 4 will be before decimal. First of all multiplying, by 10, we get 10x is equal to 4.7 bar, or you can write 10x equal to 4.777 dot dot dot. Question number 1. Now again you multiply, if one digit is recurring, then you multiply by 10. Multiply by 10 again. Multiply by 10. We get 10x into 10, 100x. This will be equal to, when you multiply by 10, then it will be 47.777 dot dot dot. Question number 2. Now on subtracting, because after the decimal here 777, there is also after decimal 777. Means after decimal in equation 1 and equation 2, the numbers are same, then we have to subtract. On subtracting, equation 1 from equation 2, we get equation 2 and this is equation 1, 100x minus 10x. 100x minus 10x. This will be equal to 47 minus 4. It will be 43. 100x minus 10x. It will be 90x equal to 43. Now x is equal to 43 upon 90. This is a fraction form of 0.47 bar. Now we have to solve this question by shortcut trick. Number is 0.47 bar. This will be equal to, here 0.47 bar, only one digit is recurring, then in denominator you write 19. How many digits are recurring? You write in denominator same number of 9. If one digit is repeating, then you write 19. If two digits are repeating, then you write in denominator 29. If three digits are repeating, then you write 39. After that, how many digits are not repeating or not recurring, you write same number of 0. Here one number is not repeating, then you write 10 here. If two number is not recurring, then you write 20 here. If three number is not recurring, then you write 30 here. After that, what is in numerator? Numerator you write the same number first. After decimal, what is number you write? Whole number. Means after decimal here is 47 bar. Then you write here 47. Then minus 47 minus the number which is not recurring. The number which is not recurring is 4. Then you subtract that number. So it will be 47 minus 4. This will be equal to 47 minus 4 is 43. 43 upon 90. This is final answer. Similarly, third part, 0.001 bar. First of all, let us assume x equal to 0.001 bar. We can write it x equal to 0.001 dot. This is equation number 1. Here 3 digits are recurring, means 3 digits having a bar, means 3 digits is repeating. We can write x equal to 0.001, 001, 001 and so on. Now here 3 digits are recurring, then you multiply by 1000. If 2 digits are repeating, recurring, then multiply by 100. If 3 digits recurring, then multiply by 1000. Multiply by 1000. We get 1000x is equal to, if you multiply by 1000, then it will be 1.001001 ... question number 2. Now on subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. We get equation 2, 1000x minus x. 1000x minus x. This will be equal to, after decimal numbers are same, means only before the decimal 1 minus 0 is 1. 1000x minus x is 999x equal to 1. Now x equal to 1 upon 999. This is the answer. Now trick. First of all, you write the number. Number is 0.001 bar. This will be equal to, you pay attention here. Here 3 digits are recurring. Then in denominator you write how many 9? 3 9. Right here 3 9. No digit is not recurring, means you write only 3 9. Now in numerator, what is the number after the decimal? 001. Then you write that number here 001. This will be equal to 1 upon 999. This is answer. Friends, let's see some extra examples. Solve using shortcut trick. We have to solve such examples with the help of shortcut trick. First is 0.3 bar. You write here 0.3 bar. This will be equal to, what you write in denominator? Since 3 is recurring, then you write denominator 9. And in numerator, what is after the decimal? What is the number? 3. Then you write here 3. Then after, reduce it. 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9. This will be equal to 1 upon 3. 0.3 bar equal to 1 upon 3. This is answer. Second is 0.75 bar. You write here 0.75 bar. This will be equal to, what you write in denominator? 1 digit is recurring, then you write 19 here. Then after 1 digit is not recurring, then you write 10. And what you write in numerator? First of all you write this number 75 minus the number which is not recurring, you subtract. 7 is not recurring, means you subtract 7. This will be equal to 0.75 bar equal to 75 minus 7. It will be 68 upon 90. Reduce it by 2. 2 3 ja, 2 4 ja, 245. This will be equal to 0.75 bar equal to 34 upon 45. This is final answer. Third is 0.352 bar. 3 digits are recurring. 0.352 bar equal to, in denominator you write 39. All digits are recurring, then you write 39. In numerator you write 352. Now reduce it. It is reducing. 5 plus 2 7 plus 3 10. No need to reduce it. This is the answer. Fourth part is 0.2394 bar. Only 94 adding bar. Then you write here 0.2394 bar equal to, in denominator you write how many 9? 1 2 9. Because 2 digit is recurring. Then after, how many digit is not recurring? 2 digit is not recurring. Then you write 20 here. And in numerator you write this number 2394 minus how many digit is not recurring, you subtract it. 2 3 is not recurring, means minus 23. This will be equal to 0.2394 bar equal to 4 minus 3 1, 9 minus 2 7 3 2 upon 9900. This is answer. Last part, fifth part is 2.3 bar. Means this is the different type of question. Here is before the decimal there is a number, then you write 2.3 bar will be equal to 2 plus 0.3 bar. If such type of number you get, then first you separate this number. 2.3 bar you can write 2 plus 0.3 bar, and we know that what is the fraction of 0.3 bar. This will be equal to 2 plus how many? You write how many 9 in denominator? 3, only one digit is recurring, then you write 1 9 in denominator. And what is numerator? This number 3 is recurring, means you write here 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9. This will be equal to 2 plus 1 upon 3. 2 plus 1 upon 3, you can write this will be equal to 2 whole 1 upon 3. This is the answer. In the same way, you can find so many examples, you can solve so many examples. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching this.